Hello everyone, myself Shashank HT from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to explain about the introduction to solar photovoltaic power plants. Solar photovoltaic power plants harness the sun energy to generate electricity. These large-scale renewable energy systems are becoming increasing common as the world transition to sustainable power source. PV power plants converts the sunlight into usable electricity through an array of solar panels and supporting infrastructure. Feasibility assessment of raw material sourcing. First one, source availability. Second one, cost evaluation, logistic planning. Source availability. Analyzing the supply and accessibility of key raw material like silicon, silver and copper required solar panel production. Cost evaluation. Assess the current and projected pricing of raw material to determine the economic validity of project. Logistic planning. Develop a strategic plan of transportation and supply the chain management of raw material to the manufacturing facility. Next one, design consideration for PV power plant components. Solar panels. Selection of efficient and durable solar panel technologies based on factors like conversion efficiency, temperature coefficient, and environmental condition. Next, investor. Optimal sizing and configuration of investor to convert the DC power generated by the solar panel into the AC power for the grid. Next, mounting structures. Design the robust and adjustable mounting system to support the solar panel and withstand environmental stresses. Installation and construction of PV power plants. First, site preparation. Cleaning, grading and laying the foundation of power plants infrastructure. Panel installation. Mounting and connecting the solar panels to the supporting structure. Last one, electrical wiring. Integrating the solar panel, inverter and grid connection of components. Integration of PV power plants with the electrical grid. Synchronization, power quality, grid stability, regulatory compliance. First, synchronization. Ensuring the PV power plant's output is properly synchronized with the grid voltage and frequency. Power quality. Maintaining the power factor, harmonic distortion and other grid compliant electric parameters. Grid stability. Implementing the control system and protection mechanism to prevent distribution to the grid stability. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to local grid interconnection codes and regulation of safe, reliable operations. Next, operation and maintenance of PV power plants. Preventive maintenance. Regularly scheduled inspection, cleaning and component replacement to ensure the optimal performance. Monitoring and diagnosis. Automated system to continuously track the system performance and quickly identify issues. Next, spare parts management. It helps to maintaining an inventory of critical spare parts to minimize the downtime and facilitate the rapid repairs. Next, training and certification. Ensuring the operation and maintenance teams well trained and certified to handle all aspects of the power plants. Next one is economic and financial analysis of PV power plants project. Capital expenditure. Initial cost of land, equipment and construction. Operating expenses. Ongoing cost of maintenance, staffing and utilize. Revenue streams. Incoming generated from selling electricity to the grid. Financial incentives. Government stability tax credits and other support mechanisms. Return on investment. Evaluating the project long term profitability and playback period. The last one is conclusion and recommendations. Bright future. Solar PV power plant are poised for continuous growth as renewable energy become a more cost competitive and sustainable. Technological advancement. Ongoing invention in solar panel efficiency, energy storage and grid integration will future improve the viability of PV power plants. Policy support. Favorable government policies and regulation can accelerate the adaptation of solar PV power plants. Last, environmental benefits. Solar PV power plants offer a clean, renewable energy solution, reduces the greenhouse gas emissions and environmental impact.